Hey, everybody. It's your girl, Tanya Weeders, ECMG Creative. Hope all is well. And we want to talk to you a little bit today about why your beauty brand should consider NFTs. It really doesn't matter what industry you're in. If especially you are a service-based business, you ought to be looking for ways to have products that are available, whether they are packaged service products or not in your business so that when down times are, if you ever experience them, and you should, you'll always have a backup plan and something always working in the background. That's the ideal, to have your backup completely and constantly running in your back office and in the background, so that when you get on hard times, they won't feel like hard times. So if you want to read this entire article, it's at ecmgroups.com/the blog. And we have a surprise for you, probably midway between this article, but we're going to show you what it is right now because most of us are visual beings learning visually. I'm just going to go through this bit by bit just for a moment. It's super short, and we want to talk to you about NFTs. And this is how I knew it was serious. I knew that NFTs were for me when my AI generated a lace front wig. You heard it right. I keyed in a certain celebrity whose name shall remain nameless, and voila, I couldn't believe it. I lost it. I was beside myself with laughter. But for my friends in the beauty business, it was an instant brainstorming aha moment and session. So, what are NFTs and why should they be considered for beauty brands? Well, NFTs, or non fungible tokens, are digital assets that use blockchain technology to verify ownership and authenticity. Let me just make that very super clear for you. It is a digital asset that utilizes an online banking system that verifies and logs in and catalogs the ownership of the digital asset every single time it is purchased. So I don't know if you've ever heard me say, but I'm going to say it right now. I want you to know this forever. Royalties are forever in our world of the metaverse of NFTs. Every single time your item is purchased, you should get a percentage off of that if you set that at the parameters at the beginning. And then every single time it passes hands, you get a piece of it and the ownership is documented. That's it. That's all it is, right? So this means that they cannot and will not and should not be duplicated or counterfeited like physical products can. That's the beauty of it. For beauty brands, this opens up a whole new world of possibilities for limited edition products, one of a kind collaborations, and unique experiences with influencers and celebrities. It also allows for better protection against counterfeiting and intellectual property theft, which is a huge issue in the beauty industry when you have so many people who are claiming to make products that will make your hair shinier, make it grow, stop or prevent split ends, etc., etc. There's always people who are copying, even improving upon. And who's the lady, Madam C.J. Walker? Yeah, she's been known as jacking somebody else's stuff and then turning it into her own. So you have to be very, very careful with things like that. But overall, incorporating NFTs into your beauty brand strategy can help and lead you to greater innovation, customer trust, profitability, let alone it is a lot of fun. And it's worth considering as a technology because technology will always continue to grow and evolve, and there's no reason why your business should be any less than that. So, some of the benefits of using NFTs for beauty brands include more opportunities for partnerships and collabos, which you should be looking for all the time, improved protection against counterfeiting, enhanced consumer trust and loyalty, and greater potential for profitability and innovation within the industry. You're at a point right now in time where there's not many people who are leveraging themselves very, very uniquely in their own industry in the metaverse. And now you should jump on it because you'll have so much fun with doing that. So, what are some of the challenges that can be faced when implementing your NFTs? Well, the adoption and understanding by both consumers and industry players, integrating NFT technology with existing systems and processes, and then dealing with potential legal and regulatory issues related to the blockchain technology. And all that means is you need to equip yourself with as much information as possible when learning this process and giving yourself not only grace, but mercy to make mistakes and also be willing to make the necessary adjustments so that you don't fall into this area where you'll go into the legal system and don't really take it that seriously, but I do want you to keep in mind that you need to be aware of what the rules, regulations, and laws are so that you can play within them and have so much fun while you're in the process. So, if you're interested in learning anything or knowing anything about what we're doing in this world, let me take you over to our website. Isn't that beautiful on Bing today? Isn't that just beautiful? Let me take you to our site at Tiny Coco's. And at Tiny Coco's, we will show you the kinds of projects that we're working on, the story that we're building around what our real purpose is. We are just finishing up with our October Pink campaign, and not to worry, we're only a few days into November, and we'll be showing you some new and improved stuff that we're working on for the holidays. And here we show you some of the work that we are working on. And if interested, just bounce right on over to ecmgroups.com/Tiny Cocos and you will see it. And I'll put the link in the description. So let's finish with the blog and we can move on and start get it started. The future of NFTs and how beauty brands can prepare is still uncertain, but staying informed and open to new technologies can help brands stay ahead of the game and potentially reap the rewards of incorporating NFTs into your strategies. This is one of the easiest ways that you can take your business, take what the motto is for or the mission is for, what the philosophy of the business is about, and pull them into the art world, right? If you have graphic designers in your business or you hire them, talk to them a little bit about how you can do this and put your wares on the marketplace or in the marketplace to some of the platforms that are 100% free. You have nothing to lose by doing this. Nothing beats a fail but a try. And if you can try and it's free, why not? Right? So let me tell you what got me here, right? So first, I heard about NFTs through friends and family in the digital art community, and it wasn't until I saw a beauty influencer auction off a unique virtual experience on an NFT marketplace that I thought was about incorporating them, or as I thought about incorporating them into my own business, and the potential for limited edition products and collaborations as well as improved protection against counterfeiting, it made me really more comfortable with getting into that world just to see how I could benefit in any way and how my brand could benefit on top of it. Right. So far, the results have been promising, and I'm excited to continue exploring the possibilities of the technology. And that is why I'm sharing it with you. And we also are going to drop the link in the description as to what our blog is about. Actually, the podcast we have about this that just dropped today. So, how you can get started with NFTs and begin using AI for your own projects is as follows. Very, very simple. Educate yourself. Google it, Bing it, do what you got to do. Even come on this threshold known as the YouTubes and do your research. Okay, we have opportunities for those of you who are interested in learning a little bit more beyond the blog and beyond the podcast, and we'll put that opportunity down below as well. But the most important thing is that you educate yourself as soon as possible, so that when you go into the community, you know the tech, you know the language that they're speaking. You're learning about ETH. You're learning about crypto. You're learning about, your wallet and your digital wallet. You want to become acclimated to what those terms mean. And then you want to look for platforms and marketplaces that offer NFT creation and selling options. You want to start small with a limited edition product or collaboration, much like what I just showed you on our blog. And then you want to constantly continue to stay open to learning and experimenting with the technology as it continues to evolve. And there are so many more platforms that are out there than when I first heard about this than not. Right. In the beginning, I didn't even know what to look for. Right. So I see you see the picture, right? That's what really was like, okay, I needed to get into this immediately. So if you could get me with a laugh, that's it. You're in. So NFTs in the beauty industry allows for better protection against counterfeiting, intellectual property theft, which is huge in the beauty industry, but it also opens up a new world of possibility for limited edition products, one of a kind collaborations and partnerships, and unique experiences with influencers, celebrities, no matter what platforms they're on. And guess what? You're a celebrity in and of yourself. So again, like I said, look at our collection. You're not going to be disappointed. And what's the image that I created? I ain't saying no names, but this is someone we're all familiar with who is falling from glory. I'm just saying. So thank you for your time. Visit us at ecmgroups.com. And if you want us to walk you through your own process of building your NFTs, do not neglect to chat with us. There's a chat box on the blog. You can PM us, DM us, get into our DMs and just reach out, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Make sure if you like this video that you like this video, you subscribe, and you share it with somebody who may know it. And let me tell you this. NFTs are a very lucrative business if you put the knowledge to work. The knowledge ain't gonna apply itself. The innovation and the wisdom will not apply itself. It's something that you have to do in the very beginning. And I prefer that you do the heavy lifting in the beginning so that your active income will transform into a passive outcome for you, and it will be beautiful. So I'll talk to you later on. Have a fantastic day, and we will see you over at ecmgroups.com. Have a great one. Bye bye.